To have our lunch right now. It's 2:15 right now, and we have just ordered chicken, rice, dal, and paneer. So let's go inside the restaurant and show you the. We are done with our lunch and we are ready to explore Leh. We reached here at the hotel at 12:30 and got freshened up quickly. We have checked in at Shanti Nest in Leh, a brilliant hotel close to the airport. Well, guys, the rooms are decent and clean. It's a reasonable option for travelers looking out for homestays in Leh. The hotel is very popular among the riders from across the country. I was having a talk with a biker who came from Delhi. Those guys were traveling in the hills for the last 15 days, and every time they came to Leh, they stayed at the Shanti Nest, which they claim they're quite impressed with the hotel policies. So, guys, if you're looking for a decent and economical hotel in Leh, then you can go with this one. So, guys, now we have reached at Shanti Stupa, which stands peacefully and beautifully on a hilltop in a place called Changspa in Leh. It is a white domed Buddhist stupa built by the Japanese and Ladakh Buddhists. The structure of the stupa is unique and magnificent. Shanti Stupa looks beautiful and serene in all four seasons, and especially when it snows. You can have a look at the picturesque view of Leh and Changspa village and the surrounding areas from the stupa. Lend this place to your curiosity, and I'm sure it will mesmerize you with its utmost beauty and calmness. Hi guys, good afternoon. It's 3:30 in the afternoon, and I'm right now at the Shanti Stupa in Leh. So I'm just panning my camera. You can see, I guess, that's the Shanti Stupa. So right now the temperature is around 20 degree. It's little cold over here. Shanti Stupa. So it took me around 5 to 6 minutes to climb up on the top of this and look at the view, guys. It is amazing. You will definitely enjoy this place. It's a beautiful place. Come in the evening. Now you will get a pleasant weather. This is it, guys. I hope you can see the view. Totally beautiful, amazing. I'm really enjoying my trip over here. Look at the view, guys. This is an amazing palace in Leh. Let's get into the history and give you an idea about this centuries old deserted palace. The 17th century palace, no doubt one of Ladakh's most imposing structures, dominating the landscape around Leh. It's impossible to ignore. It's ever present and both amazes and awes all visitors to the region. It is quite easy to get disoriented, not quite knowing exactly why you are inside the building, but with some perseverance, it is possible to find your way up to the upper levels where the stone constructions make way for simple mud brick structures. On the third floor, beside a small courtyard, is where the royal family worshipped. It enshrines the goddess Dukat, the lady of the white parasol, a deity with 1,000 arms and legs. Now I am standing at the royal courtyard where all important religious ceremonies were performed by the royal family. It was fun discovering the hidden pathways which leads to these stunning balconies. While on one side you have the courtyard for religious ceremonies, on the other side of the same level was a narrow entrance that led to an active temple. This is used to be the temple of the royals and even now it is used for religious celebration. Climbing up the rest of the levels really made me feel like Indiana Jones. While coming down, I landed in this huge room which is now a public museum. Originally, this was the hall of public audience. I came across many old murals, a lot of them are fading away with time. Just imagine guys, these murals are 400 to 500 years old and they are still visible on the walls. Level 6 was all about open views and the views from the level 7 was quite contrasting. While on one side was the sandy Leh city, on the other side is the lush green side of the city. We talk about Leh, we talk about all the colorful monasteries, vast landscape, cobalt blue sky, high passes, high altitude lakes and Tibetan culture. There. I am now on top of the Leh Palace right now. The view is super amazing. You're gonna love it. Trust me. Well, I'm getting out of breath, but yeah, taking rest and coming up on the top is totally worth. So you should come here at the Leh Palace. It is beautiful. It is amazing. It is 10 minutes drive from the Shanti Stupa. Amazing place. Now I'm watching the sunset from here. Super amazing. Wow, look at the background guys. It's a beautiful place, beautiful palace. Well, drone flying is strictly prohibited over here, so I'm not flying my drone over here. Well, the stairs are very steep, you can see, so carefully you have to take the stairs and you take rest and take another stair, take rest and take next stair, otherwise you will get out of breath very soon. That was it guys, this was the Leh Palace. It was really, we had an amazing time over here. I hope you guys all loved it. Thanks for watching this episode. This was Leh Palace for you guys. And now we are going to the Hall of Fame, which is very popular in Leh. So if you are in Leh, do come over here. This is very famous over here. The light and sound music that happens every day from 7 p.m. is a great show. You should watch this guys. This is amazing. Come with me, I'll show you what's there for us.
They are going to play dirty. Dirty as in ना कोई दीन, ना कोई ईमान, with absolutely no scruples. किसी भी तरीके से दुश्मन सिर्फ और सिर्फ हमें रोकना चाहता है, बस.
Permission to speak, sir.
बोलो मेजर गुरप्रीत.
दुश्मन चाहे जैसा भी हो, sir. This is the Indian Army. ना हम रुकते हैं, ना कभी झुकते हैं.
Great. ओए ओए, तू है शेरशाह. अपने बंदे कह रहे थे शेर है तू, हैं? हाँ देखे जरा, बड़ा शेर बनता है तू, हैं?
अरे शेर बनाने से नहीं बनते बेवकूफों. शेर को उसकी माँ
और पर जो तुम्हारी फिल्म स्टार है माधुरी दीक्षित, और एक बार उसको तो यहाँ बुलवाते।
आप वही बुला दे माधुरी दीक्षित को।
आ गई माधुरी दीक्षित, ले विद लव। और माधुरी दीक्षित जरा बिजी है बेवकूफों, तो मैं खुद आ रहा हूँ तुम्हारे लिए।
कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा ने दुश्मन पर गोलियों की बौछार कर दी और 5 दुश्मन मार गिराए। भागते हुए दुश्मन ने पलटवार किया और धुन फायर खोल दिया। सुबह हो चुकी थी। दुश्मन के 2 बंकर करारा फायर बरसा रहे थे। उन्हीं बंकर को बर्बाद करने की कोशिश में सूबेदार रमेश चंद और राइफलमैन नरेंद्र शहीद हुए। लगा आगे बढ़ते इससे प्रेम है, वो जिसे अपनी भारत माँ पे गर्व है, वो जो यहाँ मौजूद इन बहादुर सैनिकों के बलिदान को नमन कर रहा है। वो हर भारतीय विश्वास दिलाए सेना को कि ये वीरता और साहस की गाथा बार बार दोहराई जाएगी। भारत माता की जय। जय हिंद।
ভালো লেগেছে?
খুব ভালো লেগেছে। আমরা আজকে ডাল ভাত মাংস খেয়েছি, খুব ভালো লেগেছে।